where I'ma live, cause I feel like I ain't got nothing to give. Just wanna follow my dreams. I've been working like I never been. I struggle every day, but I seen a lot of shit I shouldn't have, but never forgot it though. Brothers on the corner selling crack like me and my team gotta intervene. What's the point of living if you ain't living a dream? Feeling like I gotta get it right now. Moving like a killer in the darkness out of sight now. On another level, so they gon' do it for 9-6. Yeah, we gon' do it for hip-hop. Yeah, second renaissance type shit. Me and my homies just chillin', feeling the vibes. This the time of our lives, but many don't realize. Having visions of logic this, logic that. Logic sick, logic whack. Come on, you know how the story go. This the shit that never run and they always pretending, acting kinda sin and they mind what I'm been.
We get high, crazy blue.